previous video we have already learned how to draft walls in AutoCAD with the help of different types of commands and reference images. So in this video we'll see how to import door block in AutoCAD, and with the help of different types of commands, for example move, mirror, rotate, how to place that door in a perfect position in floor plan. So let's get started. In the last video we learned how to draft the walls for the 2 BHK plan. So in this video we'll start by adding doors and windows in that plan. So for that you have to open AutoCAD. I am working in AutoCAD 15. So now I want to open that previous file, so I can go on the open files, or else you can also got that in recent files. I click on that file. So we'll get that plan which we have saved previously. So in this video we'll start by adding doors and windows in it. Firstly, I'll move this plan into wall layer. I will active door and windows layer by clicking on it. You will find it in home screen. So we will get here a door and window layer. In AutoCAD library they have already inserted doors and windows. So to open that we'll press Ctrl 3. You will get this type of box in which port number is architecture. So I'll click on it. So now we are working on the plan. So I'll insert it the first plan of door. From this arrow we can change the angle of the door. Currently it is in 30 angle. So I want to open it in 90 angle, so I will click on that. Now as per this plan, I want to add a door here. So I'll add a line by L, enter. Door is 0.9 meters, so I select. Using offset command, I will give offset of 0.9 meters. Then I use move command to move this door in a right place. For that select door, M, enter. M is for move. Select first point and place wherever you want to place the door. Now I want to scale up this door by selecting type SC. It is for scale up. Enter. I will click on the first point. Here on this type command you will get two options, copy or reference. I will click on reference. Again I will select first point, a second point, and move it to a third point where I want to scale up the door. Same way I'll add door in this bedroom. TR, trim. So now I will copy this door to that place. For that CO, enter. As I wanted it in a mirror image, so I'll select it, MI, enter. you will get a option of erase source object, yes or no. I want to erase the previous one, so I'll click on yes. Again type enter. Same way I want to mirror it in this side. MI, again same way. Now I'll move this to a wall. Same way I'll add door to all these kitchen, master bedroom areas. Again we'll trim this line. Same way I'll copy door. MI enter. Yes. Again move to a right place. As I am not getting here a point because our snap mode is off. So for that I'll on snap. So I will get this all the reference points. Again I will mirror to this side. For that selecting door, MI command. Here I want a first object also and the second mirror also. So I will click on N, no, enter. Again I will copy this door for the outer profile. Here I'll rotate this door. For that select a door, RO. RO is a command for rotate, enter. Click on the first point. In the downward direction you will get a rotation. And now I'll move this door to a wall. So now our doors are ready. In the next video we'll see how to add window to a plan.